Walls perpendicular to floor joists are often load-bearing in typical house construction. When you inspect a house to identify load-bearing walls, use the thumb rule that walls running perpendicular to the floor joists usually carry loads because joists transfer weight to those supports. Check where the wall sits in relation to beams and foundation walls, since a wall directly above a beam or a foundation stem wall is very likely carrying vertical loads. Locate beams by looking in basements and crawl spaces for larger timbers or steel and trace their line upward. Look at exterior walls because they generally support roof and floor loads and act as continuous structural elements around the perimeter. If you can access the attic, inspect how roof rafters or ceiling joists bear on walls. If rafters or a ridge beam transfer load to a wall, it is supporting weight. Use a simple probe technique by measuring joist direction with a flashlight or tapping the ceiling to detect joist spans. Remember that short partition walls parallel to joists are often non-load bearing, but may still be supporting local loads if they align with beams below. Always verify ambiguous cases by checking structural plans or asking a licensed structural engineer before making any cut or removal work. Common mistakes include assuming any wall with electrical or plumbing is non-load bearing, which can be wrong because utilities are often run through carrying walls, so do not rely on those clues and have a professional confirm. Another error is removing a wall because it is parallel to joists without checking for hidden beams or double top plates that can transfer load. If you find a double top plate or header spanning an opening, stop work and get engineered guidance. A third concern is trusting attic or basement observations without full access, since partial visibility can hide bearing points. When access is restricted, open a small inspection hole or hire a contractor to expose the connection and confirm the load path. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around renovation needs related to load-bearing wall questions and other structural concerns. We help homeowners find local professionals and provide a discussion community where we share experiences and ask practical questions, while contractors can find potential projects and engage with peers.